Hello children, welcome to aimsindia's online classes. This is biology session. We have completed what do animals eat lesson. In that we have discussed the different aspects, how animals obtain their food, what are the food habits. So in today's class we are going to discuss the Olympiad worksheet, the questions which appear from this chapter in the previous Olympiads. So before going to that, let us have a brief review. Okay, are you ready children? Right, let us. Different types of animals that live in our surroundings have their own food habits. Okay, plants and animals are the main sources of food in our surrounding. To locate the food, most animals use a wide range of their senses like smell, sight, hearing, taste and touch. Okay, they use their sense organs. So they adopt different methods like sucking, licking, picking, chewing, peeling, swallowing. These are all the ways by which animals take in their food, isn't it children? So most wild animals that eat other animals have very sharp teeth, especially canines. The beaks of the birds differ from one another depending upon the type of food they eat. Pond skaters, they detect the ripples produced in water by any other insect trapped on the water surface. The animals are divided into three types on the basis of their food habits: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. And there is another category called scavengers. The animals like vultures and jackals, they eat the dead and leftover the animals generally preyed on by carnivores. Parrot is a special bird which eats fruits and cracks nuts. It has a hooked beak with movable upper jaw. Duck's teeth are not useful in grinding food. They act as filters, comb-like beak they possess. Okay, the beak acts as a filter to get food from water. They possess comb-like beak. Animals like cow and buffaloes, they are called ruminants. Why they are called ruminants? Because the process of bringing back food from stomach into mouth and chew thoroughly is called as rumination. As these animals undergo the process called rumination, they are called ruminants. The animals such as these ruminants possess their stomach special four chambers. What are they? Rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Some carnivorous animals. The animals such as leech, mosquito and bedbugs, they feed on blood of vertebrates. Such animals are called sangvivores. Sangvivores means blood sucking animals. Honeybees, they collect nectar from the flowers, convert it into honey and store in their beehives. So the flowers and their nectars may be available only for the part of year. So the bees store this nectar for their use throughout the year. Okay? And we also discussed about a food chain. It is a linear sequence of links in a food web starting from species that are called producers in the web and ends at species that are called decomposers in the web. A food chain also shows how the organisms are related with each other by the food they eat. Okay. Next, feeding habits of different animals. Animals like squirrels, rabbits and rats, they feed on hard grains and nuts. Okay, that process is called gnawing. Okay, they possess sharp front teeth. Animals like snakes, they do not chew the food, they swallow the food Animals like frog, they have long protrusible sticky tongue with the help of which they catch the prey. Insects like bees and butterflies, they possess long proboscis, okay, long tube-like structure with the help of which they suck the nectar from flowers. Animals like cows and buffaloes, they have special food habit, okay, they are called ruminants. Next, dogs and cats, they lick the or lap the food materials with the help of tongue. And there are some animals like giraffe. Here you can see giraffe that use its long neck, and elephant, okay, and elephant, it uses its long trunk, okay, this is the trunk for taking food. The teeth of herbivorous animals, if you have, they have sharp, flat, broad front teeth. And the cows, goats, camels, these are all the plant eaters, okay. So these animals also have strong flat back teeth at some distance from the front teeth, and these back teeth help it to chew the food properly. The teeth of carnivorous animals, they possess very sharp, okay, pointed front teeth, and their canines are well developed to tear the flesh, and they possess strong grinding teeth also in the back of their mouth. And okay, next, feeding habits and mouth parts of some other animals. Frog has a long sticky long tongue, and a mosquito with the help of sharp proboscis. Leech possess suckers. A butterfly, a spring like structure, proboscis is present. An elephant, trunk. And the birds, they possess different types of beaks for their, based on their food habits. Okay children, this is a brief review, quick review of the chapter. So let us proceed to the Olympiad worksheet. Okay children, listen carefully. The animals which feed on dead and decomposed debris are called herbivores, carnivores, detrivores, omnivores. Okay, dead and decomposing, so they are called detrivores. Example, you can take vultures, jackal, fox. Okay, they are even they are also called the scavengers. Okay, animals which feed on plant materials are known as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, frugivores. Herbivores means which eat plants, carnivores means which eat flesh, omnivores means which eat both plants and animals, frugivores means which eat fruits. Okay, so here which feed on plant materials, they are called herbivores. The animals which feed on animals' flesh are known as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, frugivores. They are called carnivores. Animals that feed on both plants and animals are known as omnivores. The animals which feed on insects are called carnivores, insectivores, frugivores, detrivores. Insectivores, insect eaters. Okay, frog come under this category. Some fishes. Vulture senses food by using hearing, vision, smell, taste. Okay, they use their sharp vision. From long distances they can find out. Which mouth part is used by frog in eating food? Legs, claws, tongue, web. Frogs use their long protrusible sticky tongue. Long slender beak is found in which bird? Sparrow, duck, hummingbird, eagle. It is a hummingbird which possesses long slender beak with the help of which it sucks the nectar from the flowers. Which bird removes the layers of bark and eat ants and pests? Crow, hope, woodpecker, ducks. It is the woodpecker which removes the bark and eat the white ants. The parasite which lives inside the body of its host is called endoparasite, exoparasite, endoparasite, ectoparasite. It is the endoparasite which lives inside. Example, certain bacteria, worms, okay, helminth parasites. Tentacular feeding is adopted in sea anemone, starfish, hydra, jellyfish. Okay, it is the hydra which uses tentacles like this. It possesses tentacles, okay, with the help of which it can catch the prey. Okay. Next, natural scavengers of our environment are duck, sparrow, crows, vultures, crow, owl, hummingbird, hoppy. It is the crows and vultures which are called natural scavengers. When digestion takes place inside the cells, it is termed as extracellular, intracellular, cellular, unicellular. Inside the cell, intracellular. Example, amoeba. Okay, if you take amoeba, so this amoeba possesses food vacuole. Inside the food vacuole, the digestion of food takes place. So such kind of digestion is called intracellular digestion. Example, amoeba. Cockroach cut food into smaller particles with the help of, okay, cockroach mandibles, crop, gizzard, rectum. So crop, gizzard, rectum, these are all the parts of digestive system. The mandibles are also present in the mouth, strong teeth. So the mandibles are like this. With the help of these strong mandibles, it cut the food materials. Okay, biting and chewing type of mouth parts they possess. So mandibles, strong teeth. Which body parts are used by vultures to tear flesh? Hooked long beak, sharp claws, tongue. Okay, they use both hooked long beak and sharp claws. Okay, with the help of, they are called talons, with the help of which they can catch the prey, the legs. Next, the body parts used by dog to eat food are sharp teeth, tongue, claws, both A and B. Okay, here also dog use its sharp teeth and tongue. The characteristic feature of hunting animals are strong legs, sharp claws, sharp teeth, all the above. Okay, they possess strong legs, sharp claws and sharp teeth. An example for sangvivores. What are sangvivores? Sangvivores feed on blood. Okay, the animals which feed on blood, they are called sangvivorous animals. Okay, here leech, earthworm, pinworm, tapeworm are given. So pinworm, tapeworm, they are intestinal parasites. Earthworm is it lives solitarily, independently. It is not parasite. Whereas leech is an ectoparasite which sucks the blood of vertebrates with the help of suckers. So here example of sangvivore, leech. The birds have different kinds of beaks depending on how it drinks, how big it gets, where it lives, the kind of food it eats. The kind of food it eats determines the shape and structure of the beak. Leeches sticks to the body of the animals and human to suck water, bile, blood, sweat. Leech is a sangvivore, it sucks the blood. Which among the following is a carnivore? Goat, cow, deer, lion. Okay, the first three are herbivores. So, lion is a carnivore. The root part of the following plants is eaten by us: radish, carrot, potato, ginger, tomato, brinjal, mint, spinach. Okay, you can analyze. So, mint and spinach are the leaves, tomato and brinjal are the fruits, potato and ginger are the stems, radish and carrot are the roots which we eat. Here the question is root part which we eat. Okay, it is the radish and carrot. Radish white color, carrot okay orange color. Germination of seed is known as sapling, sprouts, vegetation. The germination of the seed produce the sprouts. Okay, if you take a seed, it germinates to release a white color structure. It is called radicle, it is called plumule. So, this is called a sprout. Next, choose the food from the following which is a plant product: milk, egg, fruits, meat. Okay, milk, egg and meat are animal products. Fruit is the plant product. The part of sugarcane used to make sugar is root, leaf, stem, flower. So, it is the juice is extracted from the stem which is used for the manufacture of sugar. The things which can be eaten by us: eatable, edible, consumed. All of these. Which terms? All of these. Okay, it is a eatable item, edible item, consumed, consumable. The animals which eat only plants are known as herbivores. The material required for preparing a dish: nutrient, substance, ingredients, minerals. What are the ingredients required for the preparation of upma? Okay, ingredients. The animals which eat both flesh animals and plants are called omnivores. The following parts of banana plant are used as food: fruit, stem, flowers, leaf, stem, fruit, root, fruit, flower, flower, leaf, stem. So, we use fruit, stem and flowers of banana. Nectar is changed, converted to honey by honeybees. Premolars and molars are used for dash food: tearing, cutting, grinding. Okay, we possess 4 types of teeth. What are they? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay, total 32 teeth we possess adult, but in children it is 20 plus they possess. So, whatever it may be, the number of types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So, here premolars and molars are used for grinding the food, chewing and grinding. Which type of teeth is used for tearing food? Premolars, molars, canines, incisors. Which one? Tearing. Tearing is canines, only 3. Next, the type of teeth is pointy, sharp and made to help tear food. Once again, molars, premolars, incisors, canines. In what order do a hawk, grass and rabbit form a food chain in a meadow? Okay. Hawk, grass, rabbit, grass, hawk, rabbit, rabbit, grass, hawk, grass, rabbit, hawk. Okay, it is correct. So here D. Which of these animals has sticky tongue to catch its prey? Sparrow, frog, snake, fish. Okay, it is the frog which possesses long, sticky and protrusible tongue. Which type of teeth is used for tearing food? Once again, canine. Which of these is a ruminating animal? Cow, dog, lion, squirrel. It is the cow, ruminating animal. A network of interconnected food chains is called food web, web cycle, chain web, ecosystem. The group of food chains is called a food web. Plants, caterpillar, birds is an example of plants eaten by caterpillar, caterpillar eaten by birds is an example of food web, food chain, food cycle, ecosystem. It is a food chain. Next, food chains begin with dash that make their own food: decomposers, consumers, animals, producers. Okay, food chain begins with green plants, they are called producers. Honeybee makes honey from pollen, petals, nectar, bud. Which part of the flower honey is made? Nectar. Okay. The part of banana plant not used as food is flower, fruit, stem, root. We won't use the root. Read each set of the terms and identify the odd set. Means you have to read the items given in the set, and from these 4, which is the odd one we have to select. Cow, milk, butter. Hen, meat, egg. Goat, milk, meat. Plant, vegetable, butter, milk. Okay, here these are all related only. Okay, we have to select the odd set. Okay, the odd set is this one, which include both plant and animal products. Okay. Rabbits eat grass and other plants to survive, but they do not eat animals. So what kind of animals are rabbits? Decomposers, carnivores, producers, herbivores. So rabbit is a herbivore which eat only plants. The nature's cleaners are producers, consumers, decomposers and scavengers, symbionts. So decomposers and scavengers like bacteria, fungi, vulture, hawk. So what do you call these fox and okay, wolf? These are all even crow also, decomposers and scavengers. Crow also come under scavengers category. If we throw a rat which dead in our house, so that rat, if municipality people doesn't carry also, crow will eat away it. The food chains in which the microorganisms break down the energy rich organic compounds prepared by the producers is known as detritus food chain, predator food chain, parasitic food chain, ecosystem. The food chain in which microorganisms means bacteria, fungi. So it is a detritus food chain. What is a predator? A plant, something that gets hunted, something that hunts something else, a producer. What is a predator? Something that hunts something else. Okay, predator is the large one. If prey and predator relationship, if you take, prey is a small, predator is a big one. Predator will kill the prey. Mosquitoes have which type of mouth parts to suck blood? Biting, cutting, sucking, chewing. So mosquitoes possess a piercing and sucking type of mouth parts. They possess very sharp, okay, needle like. They pierce and suck. Next, give below is a list of edible plants: banana, pumpkin, ladyfinger, and brinjal. Which pair of plants has two or more edible parts? Two or more edible parts. Okay, first let us analyze. This type of questions are called analytical type questions. Okay, banana we eat flowers, fruit, okay, and stem also we will eat. Then next, pumpkin, seeds we eat and fruit we eat. And lady's finger and brinjal we eat only fruits. So here 1 and 2. So far we have completed the level 1. Now level 2. Which of these animals has a sticky tongue to catch its prey? Snake, chameleon, fish, frog. Okay, snake swallow the food. Here chameleon, it possesses a sticky tongue, and frog 2 and 4. Next, here the options are not given. Which of the above animals form a pair of omnivores? So here let us take some omnivores example and wind up this question. Crow, a bear, okay, and human, they are considered as omnivores. Okay, so here no options. Let us go to next question. Below the names of some animals, what are the names? Cow, sheep, horse, ox. Which of the above are the sources of milk for human beings? Okay, so especially cow, to some extent sheep. The horse milk and ox means it's a male one, so 1 and 2. In what order do a hawk, grass and rabbit? Already completed. So what is that? Grass, rabbit and hawk. These teeth are big and strong to help you grind food so it can be swallowed. Wisdom teeth, canine teeth, premolars, molars. Actually, grind the food and chew the food is the function of molars. Okay. Digestive system of cockroach comprises of foregut, midgut, hindgut. 1, 2, 2 and 3. Okay, so actually the digestive system of cockroach like this, and it has a round, okay, and it continues. Okay, Here it possesses the salivary glands. So foregut, midgut and hindgut. Broken down of food particles into smaller particles is known as lubrication, mastication, swallowing, peristalsis. Okay, we use our teeth for this mastication. Okay. Which food chain is correctly describes the flow of energy in an ecosystem? Grass, crow, human. Caterpillar, leaf, human. Cow, grass, human. Leaf, bird, caterpillar. It is a grass, crow and a human. Grass, cow and a human. If I had a food chain with a bird, plant, cat and an insect, what would be the order? Which will come first? Plant. Okay, let us 1. Next, a plant eaten by insect. Insect eaten by bird. Bird eaten by cat. Cat should come last. It is predator. Okay. So here the option which is order first plant, then insect, then bird and then cat. So it is the option B. Which of the following lists only consumers? Hawks, lizards, chipmunks, acorns, squirrels, rabbits, grass, chipmunks, eagles, mice, squirrels, grass. So here only consumers. In this, grass is there, producer is there. In this corns. Okay, so this is correct. Hawk, lizards and chipmunks. What are the names for different things in a food chain? A food chain consisting of producers and consumers. Okay. So here the options: herbivore, carnivore, producer, one consumer. Producer, first consumer, second consumer, tertiary consumer. Tertiary consumer, carnivore, predator, prey. So you have to select the correct order. First producers, then first consumer. Producers is number 1. Then first consumer means herbivores, second consumers means carnivores, tertiary consumers means large carnivores or decomposers. Okay, so option B. What is the part of tooth you can see above the gum? So I will draw the structure for your better understanding. This is the gum. This is the tooth. The part which is above the gum. Okay, it is like a crown. Okay, crown, pulp, cap, cavity. So crown is the answer. The last question: in herbivores animals, there is no molar, premolars, incisors, canines. In herbivorous animals, which are not there? Which teeth can you expect? Because they won't eat flesh, these canines are absent. In place of canines, there is a gap. Okay, if you take the jaw of these herbivorous animal, there is a lot of gap is present. Okay, so this gap is due to absence of canines, so diastema it is called. Okay, so canines are absent. Okay children, this is the some of the questions which are repeated in the previous Olympiads. More questions you can expect from this lesson. Okay, please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, live activities, English classes, coding, etc. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.